Tonight on Survival Cooking, I'm having Vienna sausages and yams. Cut sweet potatoes in syrup. The ingredients say sweet potatoes, water, and sugar. So I guess that's what the syrup is the sugar. They could have left the sugar out, as far as I'm concerned, but pretty much basic food there. Okay, I'm going to put the Vienna sausage in the cup. Very nice. And put some cheese on top of it. Oh shit. And some mustard before I put the cheese on. Not that it really matters. And just for that, I'll have to put some more cheese on. Okay, the Vienna sausages, you probably don't want to know what's in them, really. Oh, this is going to take an effort. They don't want to come out. They're happy in the can there. So let me put you on pause. Okay, that's in there, and a piece of American cheese on top. Oh, let's heat it up first. Okay, I did not like sweet potatoes until I got old and couldn't eat potatoes as much as I wanted to. So I thought I'd give sweet potatoes a try because my body likes the sweet potatoes better than the russet potatoes. And surprise, surprise, I like them. Okay, I'm going to put you on hold for this. It's been 3 minutes in the microwave. Time to put the cheese on. And run it for another minute. Not 4 minutes. Come on. 1 minute. Okay. Break time. And there I have Vienna sausages and yams and cheese and a little bit of mustard. Good night.